Hello, beloveds. Wait and see who rolls on. So we are going to be working with the elementals today and the nature spirits to help attune you and balance you. This is funny. I have a selfie stick that I'm using, and I've only used this thing several times, so hopefully I don't drop my phone in the water beneath me. Happy Sunday, everyone. So I'm going to flip the camera so you guys can see some of this magical beauty. Take in this nature, breathe it in. You know, nature is so replenishing for us. And right now, it's one of our greatest assets that we can use to shift our energy, balance, and get really clear. So I invite you, and we'll just go for a walk and show you guys some of this area here. Some of these beautiful trees. Just breathe this in before we get started with today's activation. This is already part of it. Beautiful. I'm not going to wander too far because that spot by the water is really calling today. So just in this area over here. The energy is very potent. Beautiful. So just breathe it in like you're here with me. And thank you for tuning in. Beautiful. Flip the camera back. So how is everyone doing? I know the energies have been still very, very intense, and we're all being called to balance. And nature and working with the nature spirits and the elementals will really assist you at this time. I'm gonna go over by this tree over here. Feels so good. So, I invite you to take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Right? And if you can, stand up and take me outside. Take me outside into the grass, into your yard, and plant your feet barefoot into the earth, okay? And let's just take a nice deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Beautiful. So all you guys have to do is just tune into this video and you're going to receive some balance, emotional balance, stability, and clarity. All right? Look into my eyes, be with me here, and be open to receive this divine transmission. And take another deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Beautiful. Just feel and receive. Your bodies are opening now to receive higher quotients of light, but then really ground those feet in and sway back and forth. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth, really feeling your toes rooted into the earth, scrunching the toes, into the soil, into the grass, into the sand, wherever you are. Beautiful. Just feel this energy being transmitted. It's working. All you have to do is tune into this video to receive it. That's it. And follow my voice and what I ask you to do, what I invite you to do. Sacred communication, balancing your energy fields, creating harmony, releasing any forms of dissonance. Beautiful. This is a softening, just allowing the body to fully relax and fully reset. We do this before we receive today's divine messages. Completely balancing, reestablishing flow, harmonious flow. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay, the energies are really starting to come in. So you should start to feel the clearing and the balancing happening. Glorious energy, joyful, harmonious like the sun. Beautiful vibrations. Beautiful divine vibrations harmonizing. Awesome. Thank you for being here and for receiving and contributing your energy to serve the greater good. By doing these practices together, we are amplifying the vibration of love, unity, peace, and harmony on this planet. So thank you for being here. Just continue to receive. Light language through the hands, where we're just weaving the energy. So no words needed, just receive this transmission. Some of you won't even be able to open up your eyes. Your eyes will be forced closed, and that's okay. You do not need to watch me. You just need to be here and listen and feel and receive. All is happening in the most divine, organic flow. Amazing, 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 amazing. A lot of balancing needed after yesterday's energies and this morning's energies. They were very, very intense. So that's why we're here in nature, being called to deliver these elemental energies to you. Fairies, beautiful. Let's walk a little bit. Zonte ke sakande apunshkan tomwa pikita satoshka taka ushke. Etomwa kate nakaseta koshumwa te akanushke matumwa. Enaka kisamushkela te na kisaleta kachumwa tamwa. All right, take that up the spine. Kita sakumwa chata yatomwa kareva chate nomwa sakumwa enakate atakina kamacha esate ma ya una kano samo Etamwa, 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 etamwa. Whew. Beautiful. Allow that heart space to clear and purge. Golden globe of light coming around. Samwa yataka sumwa kesa kumwa kesa kumwa. Ta 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 ta. In namaya na 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 no 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 no. Samwa eta pumba kaka kesa ata kesa kaka kesa ka shaka mwa ke no mwa he nama taka ma shama. Beautiful. I'm going to flip this. Keep taking in these codes. Ena ete kena koshke na kasaya heta kushkamwa. Ena kande asakana. Eta kushamwa. Ena ya kena da 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 da. Eto mwa ea sakana mwa da. Onye namakena na etaka. Osaka. Ea etaka. Osaka etakumwa. Enakasa. Enakasa. Onshekena. Eshekena. Oshekena. Eshekena. Umwa. Amunde kata esa. Eta, eta. Eta, eta, eta. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Taking in all this life force energy in this sacred space. Beautiful. How are you guys feeling from that? So let's let the divine messages come forth for the day now, that you are open in a new space to receive. More balanced. Hopefully that releases some of your triggers and the emotional instability that so many of you are feeling. So I invite you to focus on your feet and take a deep breath in through the nose. And I invite you to just stand up. If you're still tuning in later, this video should be done standing up outside if you can get outside. And just breathe into those feet and exhale out the mouth. Grounding and balancing the energies. There's a lot of you that are spiraling out, and nature is medicine for you. Nature is a way to bring you back to your heart center. The elementals are ready. They're here working with you. Okay? You don't have to do this by yourself. It's beautiful how the earth is divinely orchestrated for us to work with all the elements and all the plant and mineral kingdoms and the animals. It's all connected and all available for us right now. So you're being invited to tune in to those parts and utilize it more at this time. Setting yourself free from the drama and the chaos of the exterior world. And rooting yourself and centering yourself and preparing for what is next. Okay? There are a lot of changes that are going to be implemented on this planet. For those of you who tune into these videos, we're powering up together. We are strengthening. We are strengthening our energy fields. We are strengthening the life force within us so that we can hold the light and be the change that we wish to see in this world. And also help others, okay? Because as we ground the light, as we stabilize emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually, we are a greater assistance to our brothers and sisters. Okay? And I know that it is not easy. And the energies that are happening right now, that are circulating, they are trying to hook you. Some people might be saying, you know, humanity is going through the dark night of the soul. It doesn't matter right now. What matters is what you are doing. Okay? So forget about what's happening globally and bring yourself back to your center and honor the inner work that you need to do and how you can keep your vibration elevated and centered and balanced and in alignment. If we all can do that, then stuff will shift around us, and so will our experiences. So often people think that they have to fill the space with words. We don't have to fill the space constantly with words. Our energy says so much. The first half of this video of me just doing this was saying more than I could say with the human language, okay? So the energy is transmitting. So as you ground the light and you hold the light, you'll go into supermarkets, you'll go into buildings, and just by you being that light and being grounded and being centered, people will naturally feel safer in your presence. Okay? Friends and family that might have resisted you before and not understood what you were doing will be, what are you doing? Sorry, this is shaking my arm with this selfie stick is starting to shake. But they'll start to be like, what is your secret? How are you radiating so much light? How do you stay balanced? How do you stay rooted in love? How do you not get swept up in arguments and quarrels and who, you know, all the judgment? That's happening a lot right now, right? Everybody is opinionated and throwing their opinions around. And people argue when you don't agree with them. So let it go. Don't drain your energy. Don't waste it. Agree to disagree. And the focus is on you. The focus is on how you're living your life and what you're doing in every now moment. Now, I know these energies because I was even struggling this morning. Okay? They will go after your wounds, right? The light is highlighting where you have wounds, where you have things to heal. But I'm not saying spiritually bypass and don't look at that, because we are all looking at our wounds. It's all up in our face, right? We're all doing the work around what needs to be healed. But there's a time when it's your healing that's taking place, or when you're getting sucked into a downward spiral that is going to have you not holding the light. And it's your responsibility to start the practices that activate that light and ground it more in you and shift the energy. And what's one of the best things we can do? Gratitude, right? Gratitude practice. So I invite you to start to think about the things you are grateful for. You know, I have 2 kids, as you guys know, and this generation is going through so much. Like, they are literally so hard on themselves on how they look, the perfectionism, the wanting to be accepted, even the sex at an early age and sexual objectification. It's absolutely insane. So they're not even focusing on all the beautiful qualities. They're focusing on everything that's wrong with them and wanting to change everything that's what they consider wrong. And adults do the same thing. So let's focus on our positive attributes. Let's be grateful for our senses, that we have eyes to see, that we can hear, we can taste, we can feel, we can walk, we can run. And there may be some of you that are watching this that can't do all those things. You know, we take for granted easily the amazingness that is in our life. And today I invite you to stop dwelling on everything that's wrong, because these energies really are highlighting and making you feel like so much is wrong and so much needs to be changed. But let's take a break from that. And let's think about the things that are beautiful and amazing. Like this, nature. Like, look what's around me. Look where I am right now. Look at yourself in the mirror and appreciate your muscles, your tissues, your smile, every particle of your being. And give gratitude that you are actually on this earth at this time. Give gratitude to that. And know that your light and your presence makes a difference. It really does. So for all of you that tell that story that, you know, no one cares about me, no one listens to me, no one sees me, no one understands me. Not true. The most important thing, though, is for you to see you. For you to see your beauty. For you to see your brilliance. For you to see how important you are. It doesn't matter about others, because you are everything. So your relationship with yourself is crucial right now, right? Kind of jumped from topic to topic, but I'm flowing with it. Go ahead and close your eyes. Get into that heart space. Maybe rock back and forth. Go ahead and say it. I am love. I am brilliant. I am beautiful. I am vibrant. Just feel. Just feel. Just feel. Esa como chenaya, tena case no mone amare. Ande atone que mata, que saconte machanto. Esa conne macando se maquena y toma. Etangue no que sanque. Eto como chena cayante mancheno masa. Eto que mande. Sanque no que saco shun que mata saya. O shita kamata se que na Messiah, na Messiah, mama Messiah, mama Messiah. Hey Messiah, hey Messiah. Allow that golden light to amplify in your heart. Feel the arms of the divine around you. Feel the divine rising within you. In the kunde ke sakumwan sheta ke sakumwate ke nama eta ke sakush ke naka se nakate get it. Whew. Beautiful. Let that light amplify around the heart. Let that golden globe activate all around you. Take responsibility for your energy. Power up. Get out in nature. Focus on what you're grateful for. Focus on all the healthy relationships that you have. Beautiful. And I think this wraps it up for today's message. There are a lot of other things going on, and I don't know, I might jump on with some video for that. But I feel like this one's complete. I really do. I do want to show you before we get off just one more glimpse. Hold on. One more glimpse. And just take in this tree over here. Hold on a second. Ooh. Take it in. Breathe it all in. All right. Put you back on me. Okay, guys. Well, have a beautiful Sunday. Thanks for tuning in. Now the bug's coming. Have a beautiful now. So much love. Thank you, thank you, thank you.